pencils, it's also fine. Any type of colors will do. Okay. And I have my oil pastels, crayons. So these are all the things that you need. Okay. Crayons, right? Easy. Sketch pens, a newspaper or a book written part cut out stuck on an A4 size sheet, marker, and a pencil. You all have a pencil? This is a pencil, not a pen. Do you all have a pencil? Yes, you can all show me a thumbs up. Very good. Great. So, okay, can anyone tell me, can you type in the chat box and let me know if anyone knows what do you think is going to be today's newspaper art? What do you understand by newspaper art? क्या होता है newspaper art? Are we going to draw something with the newspaper? No, we are not going to make anything out of the newspaper. This is not a craft class. Today we are going to do some art. Yes, what is newspaper art? Tell me. If anyone can type, I'm waiting and reading your chats if you want to. You can type right in the chat box. Drawing something on the newspaper? Yes, Chaitanya, very good. So generally हम क्या करते हैं? What do we do generally? We draw on a piece of plain paper, right? हम plain white sheet पे draw करते हैं या फिर हम colored sheet पे draw करते हैं या जो भी हमें drawing या painting करनी होती है, we usually do it on a plain sheet of paper, isn't it? You can show me a thumbs up. I can see all of y'all's videos. Some of y'all's videos are not on. I'll request all of you to turn your videos on and you can give me a thumbs up. Amazing. ठीक है. Generally हम what do? We generally draw on a plain piece of paper, है ना? हम व्हाइट प्लेन शीट लेते हैं या कोई कलर्ड प्लेन व्हाइट शीट लेते हैं और उस पर ड्राइंग करते हैं. बट न्यूज़पेपर आर्ट में हम क्या करते हैं? वी कीप द न्यूज़पेपर या फिर सम रिटन मटेरियल, जैसे श्वेता मैम ने बुक का पेज लिया है. ओके, हम उसको बेस लेके उसके ऊपर ड्राइंग करते हैं एंड द इफेक्ट इज वंडरफुल. यू विल ऑल सी इन द एंड कि कितना अच्छा लगेगा आपका आर्ट वर्क. Has anyone ever done that before? किसी ने ऐसे पहले किया? बुक के पेज पे या न्यूज़पेपर पे पहले ड्राइंग किया? No, this is something very new to all of you. Yes, Anya Goyal has. You've done Ahana. Okay, maybe one or two of you have already done it, but most of you have not done it. So it's a very new technique for all of you. ठीक है? So you all need to see very carefully कि मैम कैसे कर रही हैं. Though the steps are very simple, it is a very simple art form, but a very beautiful one. ठीक है? So are you all ready? All set? All set? If anyone of you is not set with the materials, is there anyone जिसके पास material ready नहीं है? I can see Chaitanya cutting the newspaper. If you all need 2 minutes, 3 minutes to set your material, you can please take आराम से. Don't be in a hurry. Don't cut your hand. Okay, don't hurt yourself with the scissors. Take someone's help. जल्दी जल्दी में. Don't hurt yourself. Okay. We have enough time. आराम से take a newspaper or a book page, old book page, tattered book, कोई फटी हुई book पड़ी है या आपकी old book पड़ी है जो अब आपको नहीं है use में, उसका page लेके उसको stick कर सकते हो on a sheet of paper. But remember, images नहीं होनी चाहिए उस sheet पे. There should be no pictures. मेरी sheet पे कोई image है? No ना? Only written material ना? आपके भी न्यूज़पेपर कटिंग पे कोई पिक्चर नहीं होनी चाहिए. और अगर आपको फुल पेज नहीं मिल रहा ना, सो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज आप छोटे छोटे 2-3 पीसेस काट के ऐसे ज्वाइन करके लगा सकते हो टू मेक वन फुल पेज. दैट इज व्हाट यू कैन डू. ठीक है? अगर आपको वन फुल पेज नहीं मिल रहा है राइट अप वाला, सो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज cut bits of paper like this, strips of paper, and then stick it. Okay, so I am going to begin the artwork, and I want you all to look at it very carefully. I will repeat all the steps if you don't understand. Okay, so don't worry about it. Don't be hassled. But look at it very carefully. And it's very simple. You're all going to enjoy it. ठीक है. आप सबको एक fat circle बनाना है. What do you all have to do? First, keep your sheet like this, standing, not like this. Don't keep it in the landscape mode. Sleeping line की तरह नहीं रखना है. Keep it like a, yes, I'm waiting, Anvi. Don't worry, I'm waiting. Keep it vertical like this, horizontal नहीं रखना है. Don't keep it sleeping like this. Keep it standing. ऐसे रखो अपनी sheet. Okay, this is how we are going to do the artwork. Keep it standing. And what am I going to do? I am going to make, okay, Ishika. Faiza ma'am, I'll be waiting for another 2 minutes because I think some of them are not set with their materials. They need some time to keep their things ready.
No way.
But a tape I haven't put. There is no need of putting tape. This is not tape. ये मैंने एक sheet पे mount किया है. This is one green sheet. इस पे मैंने newspaper को stick किया है with Fevicol. I haven't used any tape. एक colored sheet पे stick किया है न्यूज़पेपर कटिंग को, बुक पेज कटिंग को. All right. I can see so many of you are so excited. Okay, faces पे smile है. You're all ready to do this new artwork, है ना? Priti, I saw you were clapping. Great. Amazing lot of kids and all very excited to learn this new art form. I'm also excited to begin, but I just have to wait for some of your friends to get their things in place. Yes, sweetie, just 1 minute more because all your friends are not set. They are not ready with their stuff. So let's give them 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, baby, so I'm not doing any difficult steps. You can follow it later also. I will repeat my steps, okay? So firstly, I'm going to take my pencil. I'm taking my pencil. And मेरे को बहुत dark drawing नहीं करनी. Okay? आप dark drawing नहीं करोगे because I don't want to see the pencil lines on my newspaper. मुझे pencil lines नहीं दिखानी है अपने newspaper पे. So मुझे बहुत ही light hand से I will draw one big fat circle like this. I will show you in a closer view कैसे draw किया है मैंने. Okay, don't worry because I'm making a lighter drawing तो आपको इस पे अभी दिखेगा नहीं. But wait, I will show it to you. This is not exactly a circle. This is like a boulder, एक stone की तरह है. Can you see? थोड़ा सा मैं dark कर रही हूँ so that you all can see and understand क्या drawing किया मैम ने. Okay? Otherwise you will not be able to see. But आप लोग light करना only as much as you can see. बस आप उसको देख सको क्योंकि बाद में हमको इसको eraser से erase भी करना पड़ेगा. See, can you all see? Compass नहीं use करना है. No scale, no compass. No scale, no compass because I don't need perfect circle. ये perfect circle है ही नहीं. Is this a perfect circle? क्या मैम का circle perfect है? No, it's like a boulder. पहाड़ होता है ना जैसे big piece of rock. It's like that. It doesn't need to be like a perfect circle. No. All right. Now what am I going to do? ये एक face है. We were all going to make a panda. So this is a face, and now I'm going to draw the two curvy ears of the panda. One and two. Can you all see? I'll darken it a bit. One and और मैम बहुत रफ ड्राइंग कर रही है. मैम इज नॉट मेकिंग अ परफेक्ट ड्राइंग, क्योंकि हमें इसमें परफेक्ट ड्राइंग बनाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. यू विल गेट टू नो लेटर. ठीक है. 2 years. I'm not going to hurry up. I'm going to go very slow. I'll wait for all of you to follow all the steps nicely. There is no need to rush. Don't feel hassled. आराम से steps follow करो. Okay? अगर आपका हो भी गया तो कोई बात नहीं. Let's wait for our friends, है ना? Because we are in a class, we have to move along with everyone. Yes, baby. Just draw this not so perfect circle and the 2 ears. Okay, I'm holding the sheet closer to the camera so that all of you can see clearly. Paper. We have to use either a newspaper. It has to be either a newspaper or it has to be a book. Use either a newspaper or a book page. My camera is stuck. Faiza ma'am, is my camera stuck? No,
Not
see.
now. I think it's fine right now.
Okay, have you all done up till here? Can I move on to the next step? Next step is also very easy. We just have to make the body. And for making the body, we don't have to do anything. We just have to make two curvy lines from here up till the end of the left side. One and two. That is it. Isn't it so easy? कितनी जल्दी body बन गई panda की. Can you see these two lines? Two curvy, slightly curvy slanting lines from the face of the panda to the edge of the outer edge of the sheet. हमें सिर्फ न्यूज़पेपर वाले एरिया पे ही ड्रॉ करना है. हमें बाहर मार्जिन पे ड्रॉ नहीं करना है. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू ड्रॉ ऑन द ग्रीन आउटलाइन. ये जो ग्रीन बॉर्डर दिख रहा है ना, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू ड्रॉ ऑन इट. आई ओनली हैव टू ड्रॉ माय ड्रॉइंग, make my drawing on the newspaper cutout. Magazine paper use ही नहीं करना है baby. You don't have to use a magazine paper. It is not at all an option. You will not be able to draw on the magazine paper. Use either a newspaper or use a book paper, which is slightly rough. जिस पे आप पेंसिल से इजीली लिख सकते हो, क्रेयॉन से इजीली कलर कर सकते हो. Don't use a magazine paper. Otherwise, everything will smudge on it. Okay. Now I just have to make the nose and the cute smile of my panda. So for the nose, what am I going to do? Cycle seat देखिए आपने cycle seat. It's like a triangle, but it's like a very curvy triangle. I'm going to show it to you. See. You have to make an oval. पहले एक oval बनाओ and then point it down like this. I'll show you. Wait. See. Easy. Like a speech bubble. It's like a speech bubble. एक oval बनाओ and then point it down. Right? And then a small standing line and a big smile. Okay, a small standing line and a big smile. अगर pencil drawing perfect नहीं है तो कोई बात नहीं, because in any case we are going to color over it, so it is going to hide. You don't have to erase it. Okay. And now I'm going to make two big oval eyes, but it has to be inverted. अंदर की side tilt होनी चाहिए, slanting बनानी है थोड़ी सी. So I'm going to make one like this, one, and two. Just see how I'm making the eyes. I'll show you from a closer view. And in two ovals के अंदर I'm going to make the eyeballs like this. So just see, I will show it to you very closely. See, I've made two ovals, but the ovals are inverted towards the inside from the top. Show me Hana. Show me Hana. I could see your drawing, but I think it's too light. I can't see. कोई बात नहीं, जब हम कलर करेंगे ना तब देखेंगे. I can't see it because अभी pencil से बनाया ना. It's too light for me to see. Can't figure out what you've drawn, बच्चा. But I'm sure you must have done a good job. You're all seeing and following and copying the steps amazingly. You all did an amazing job last time too. So our drawing work is all complete. Okay. अब हमें क्या करना है, एक ना हमारे को glasses बनाने हैं. But the specs, the glasses that we are going to make in the end. अभी नहीं बनाएंगे हम. First we'll do the coloring part. And this little cute panda of ours is wearing a pair of specs. So let's see बाद में कि कैसे pair of specs पहनने हैं उसने. That we'll do later. Okay, when all of you are done with the drawing part, you can all give me a thumbs up. Then we will move on to the coloring part. Okay. Oh wow, so many of you have already done it. Some of you are still doing it. Can we wait for your friends? सबके लिए wait करें. Let's wait for another 2-3 minutes so that everyone can finish. And then let's move ahead. ठीक है? Meanwhile, अगर आपको कुछ correction करनी है, so please go ahead with the correction. See if you feel you need to correct a line, or maybe eyes are not that good. Maybe the nose is not that good. If you want to correct it, do the correction. I'm seeing your work, babies, but you know the work is very light because अभी हमने pencil से draw किया है ना. तो अभी बहुत clearly दिख नहीं रहा है मैम को. But when we start doing with the crayons, उसके बाद your work will be very clearly seen. It will be very much visible to everyone. Shall we move on? Shall we move on? Move on करें आगे. Let's move on to the coloring part. किसका नहीं हुआ अभी? Show me a thumbs down जिसका नहीं हुआ. मनस्वी का नहीं हुआ. Okay, who else? किसका नहीं हुआ? Show me a thumbs down. Rabia has not done as yet. Vanshika, you've done? Very good. Chaitanya's done. Adrit's done. Saswat का नाम क्या है? What is your real name? What did you say? Shreyansh? Is your name Shreyansh? Okay, good. Yeah, you done? Very good. Okay. Ishika has not done. Okay, let's hurry up. Ahana has done. Manasvi. Very good, very good. Vihan. Charulata, Anisha, Pranika. Have you all done? No? Hurry up, bacha. Let's quickly finish it. Such simple line drawing abhi to kiye. Kuch bhi difficult nahi hai. It's so easy peasy. Jason, Manasvi, Ansh, Samriddhi, Kasturi, Vidhi. Are you showing? Daksh, are you showing it to me? Akshara. Yes, bacha, I will go to the next step. I'm only waiting for the babies who've not yet done, because if I move on to the next step, yes, I know you're all very excited. You want to start coloring and you want to see how the art turns out to be. Okay, let's begin. हम coloring ही करने वाले हैं. So जिन babies का finish नहीं हुआ है, it's okay. You can see how ma'am and how your other friends are coloring. So you can quickly follow up then. Okay? All right. ठीक है. So all that we need is a black crayon. All that we need is a black crayon. Do you all have a black crayon? Very good, very good. So all of you have a black crayon with you. So okay, let me also take out my black crayon. Let me peel some of its paper, I think. And सबको zigzag करना आता है? Zigzag. Everyone know how to do zigzag. Very good. So some very easy steps of doing zigzag. Okay. We have to do zigzag. But कहाँ करना zigzag? That is very important. So I'll tell you where you have to do the zigzag. आपको पूरी drawing पे zigzag नहीं करना है. So you need to see very carefully कि आपको zigzag कहाँ करना है exactly. Okay. So let's see. On the ears of the panda, ठीक है? Panda के ears पे हम zigzag करेंगे. Very teeny zigzag to give the hairy effect of the panda. Zigzag, zigzag. Can you see how I'm doing the zigzag? Fat zigzag नहीं करना है. Very teeny zigzag. Can you all see? Easy peasy है ना? Not at all tough. And close the ear from here. Let's close the ear now. Very teeny mini zigzag. So I've done one ear. ठीक है? अब आप जल्दी करने के चक्कर में don't be in too much hurry, क्योंकि हमें पूरे पैंडा पे zigzag नहीं करना है. That's why I'm telling you to wait. ठीक है? जितना मैम कर रही हैं उतना ही फॉलो करो. Don't be in a hurry to complete. Very good, Shaswat. Now see how clearly your picture is visible. है ना? Oh, sorry, not Shaswat. It's Shreyansh. Yeah, it's Shreyansh. Okay. Right. Now on the other ear. Okay. Now on the other ear, I'm going to do this zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. But very teeny meeny zigzag. Remember? बहुत teeny meeny zigzag करना है. Control your hand. Control your hand. थोड़ा सा firm रखना पड़ेगा आपको hand को. Control your hand and do a very teeny meeny zigzag. And close this ear too. Done? Now हमें सिर्फ बॉडी पे zigzag करना है. Very good, Shreyansh. Very good, Shreyansh. Very good. Who else has done it? Show me. Very good, Charulata. Pranika also. Good, good, good. Samriddhi, very good. Anvi, Sanvi, very good, very good. Yes, Sanvi, कोई और भी है सानवी के साथ, सानवी का brother. Yes, both of you've done a good job. Vidhi, Rayansh, very good. I can see everyone's work. Amazingly you've done. Vidhi, Swara, Akshya. See? Suri Babu, आई टोल्ड यू डोंट बी इन अ हरी. पूरा तो हमें करना ही नहीं था, आपने पूरा कर दिया ना. फुल फेस पे कर दिया, फुल बॉडी पे कर दिया. कोई बात नहीं, इट्स ओके. बट हमें पूरे पे नहीं करना है. दैट्स व्हाई आई टोल्ड यू इन द बिगिनिंग कि वेट फॉर मैम्स इंस्ट्रक्शंस, डोंट बी इन अ लॉट ऑफ हरी. Thanusha, Kriti, very good. Good job. So हमें फुल पैंडा पे नहीं करना है. Again and again I'm repeating, listen to the instructions very carefully. Let's not be in a hurry. Now we only have to do it on the body. ये उसके शोल्डर्स पे zigzag 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 and then नीचे उसके फेस पे यहाँ पे zigzag. We will close the body. Oops, I broke my black color. Okay, now उसके फेस पे नीचे से zigzag zigzag like this. And on the other shoulder also like this. All right. I've not done it on its full face. Full face पे किया है मैम ने? No, only on the ears and on the body and on the lower face. That is what all of you will do. Which I'll have to, just keep turning the viewers to see Ahana's. Very good. I'm going through all of yours art, but it will take some time because I have to go through everyone's art. Very good, Khushi. Very good, Kriti. Amazingly done. Beautiful it's looking. Monal also very good. And your sister or friend, whosoever sitting with you, very good. Both of you have done it nicely. Very good. Vidhi, Sandhya, Anvi, Swara. Wow. Ahana. Very well done. Sanvi, Vihan, Manasvi, Charulata, Pranika. Pranika, you made the body of the panda also. Okay. Shreyansh, Ritul, very good. Okay, now let me move on to the next step. Now I'm going to do the same thing, the same zigzag around the eyes of the panda. Okay, around the eyes and in the nose also. Okay, so look at it carefully. What I'm going to do. I'm going to do it around the eyes to oval eyes, and I'm going to do it around the oval eyes. Very teeny meeny zigzag. बहुत बड़ा बड़ा नहीं करना. Although all of you are doing it very amazingly, so you all got the concept right. All smart babies out there. ठीक है? Like this. And this on the other eye also. And on the nose also. I'll do the same thing on the nose also. Nose में मुझे सिर्फ color fill करना है. I don't have to do the zigzag on the nose. I only have to fill the color in the nose. I have to be very careful. I'll just do the outline of the nose and then fill the color inside. And I will do the outline of the beautiful smile of my panda. Okay, and I will fill the color in the nose. And circle छोड़ के eyeball का area छोड़ के in the rest of the eye also I'm going to do black. Only I'm going to leave the eyeball white. Okay, now I'm going to stop and hold it closer for all of you to see for a while. Have a closer look and then work accordingly. See. Nice and easy. Ritul, you want to ask something? You've raised your hand. Okay, in the same way now, what I have to do is I will fill color in the ears and in the body also. Fast. I have to do it fast. Or you are doing it fast. Oh my god, they're so super quick, ma'am. Okay, I'm going to try and do some fast work. I have to match to all of your space. Let me try and match to all of your space, though I'm very slow with my work, I think. Let's color in the ears and in the body. Okay, so I'm done coloring in the ears. You can now have a closer look. Oh wow, you're already done. That's super quick. Okay, then let's color in the body also now. But remember, you don't have to do very, scribbling work. You have to color properly. There should be no white space left in between. Otherwise, then the panda is not going to look nice. And do it slowly because I don't want. Yes, the zigzag lines give a furry effect of the panda's body. Panda की body पे hair होते हैं ना, so the zigzag effect is giving a hairy effect on the panda. Do it very carefully. I don't want you to take the color out of the margins. And there is no hurry. We have lots of time. So you don't have to hurry up and finish and, be the first one to finish your work. No, not needed. We have lots of time to finish our work, and we have to make our artwork look nice and beautiful. And for that, we have to be careful and we have to do our work nicely. Take some time, put in some time, and do our work nicely. Don't be in a hurry. I'm going to turn the sheet a bit because I have to color the margins neatly. I don't want my color to move out. So I have to be very careful about it. And now I can easily fill the color inside. Now I can go faster. My color is not going to go out of the page. Let me just wait for a minute and see what my babies are doing. Are you all doing? Can you? Wow, Shreyansh. This looks amazing, isn't it? You like it? Very good. I think everyone is very engrossed. Padmika, very good. It looks so cute. And with your own artistic touch, you've made the full panda. It's different as well. Very good. Sanvi, amazing. Wow. Lovely, both of you've done. And Sanvi's brother also. Wow. Ayana, Rijal, lovely, lovely. Okay, I also still have some work left. So let me also quickly finish and then tell you the further steps, because we have to finish our work in today's class now. We don't want to linger it on. I want you all to finish your work and show it to us. I'm almost done coloring. I just have to fill in these little white spaces so that this artwork looks good enough. All right. And now what am I going to do? I'm going to take my bold marker and I'm going to make the black eye dots inside the eyes like this. Okay, so make these big dots, the eyeballs, the pupils inside the eye like this. And very carefully, without smudging your black color, बहुत ध्यान से ये जो लेफ्ट ओवर पेंसिल लाइंस है ना साइड पे, जिनको हमने zigzag नहीं किया, very carefully just erase them. We don't need these pencil lines anymore. So let's just erase these pencil lines. ध्यान से erase करना, black color smudge नहीं होना चाहिए. Done. All right. Now I told you all that we will have to make the specs for our panda. So for the specs, what am I going to do? I'm going to make two glass frames like this. And I'm going to make the edges like this. And I am just going to show you how I'm going to color it. Okay. Okay, so I am going to make the frame red. आपको blue करना है या green करना है या purple करना है या pink करना है. It is totally up to you. Okay. I am going to use a red color and I am going to make the, yes, you can use any pen that you like, and I'm going to make the frame with a red color. You want, you can color it yellow. If you want, you can color it blue. If you want, you can color it pink, purple, whatever you feel like. And there you go. Mr. Panda is ready. Okay, all of you have done a fantastic job, I must say. I can see Shriyansh's work, he's finished it very good. I can see Adrit's work, he's finished it too. Parnika has also finished. Wow. Sanvi's little brother. Excellent job. Vidhi, amazing it looks. Wow. Show me again. I have to see Ahana's. Very nice, Vidhi. Okay, I'll see Ahana's too. Very good. Lovely. Okay, Shriyansh, I'm going to pin you and I'll see. Very nice. What are these? These were in the sheet? Oh, this is so cute, Swara. Manas, hold. Hold, show me again. Actually, I'll take some time to see, but I'll have to keep flipping. Show me. Swara, show me. Wow. So cute. Okay, now I'm coming to Manasvi. Yes, Manasvi, lovely it's looking. Wow. Jason, very well done. Suri Babu, very good. Manasvi, very good. Charulata, amazing. It's looking so pretty. Ansh also, very good. Okay, who is this? This is also looking so cute. Who's this? Shreyasi. Shreyasi. Oh, your name is also Panda. Shreyasi Panda. Very cute. Okay, now I'm going to see yours. Who's this? Tanishk. Tanishk. Yes. Very nice. Well done. Hannah, well done. Wow. Vihan, amazing. So cute it's looking. Tanishk Kumar. जो दो babies हैं, the girls. looking very well done. Did you all enjoy doing this art? Did you all enjoy? Did you ever think कि इतना अच्छा बनेगा आपका? After you finish your work, then it turns out to be so good. Now, Pruthi, show it to me, bacha. Wow, lovely, very cute. Ayana, yours is also so cute, but आपने newspaper पे नहीं किया ना, baby? Ayana, show me. But it's very cute, amazing. Nitya, Kriti, lovely. Prableen, Preeti Kaur. Yes. Prableen, very nice. Disha, Sandhya, Tanusha, Khushi. Very nice. Amazing work done by each and every one of you. You all made my day. What a fantastic art piece. What a fantastic art piece. सबने बहुत अच्छा किया. You've all followed the steps amazingly. And all of your artwork is looking beautiful. Now, are you all going to post it on the podium page? Are you all going to go on the Instagram podium page and on your Facebook podium page? And please do post it. I want to see all of y'all's artwork. So do go on the podium page and paste it, okay? Your panda's glasses are designer glasses. That's lovely. Very nice. Do post it on the podium platform. Do go on your Instagram page, tag podium and post it, okay? I will see all of yours work. Tanusha, I've seen yours. Also, I've seen. Very nice. So amazing. Is Faiza ma'am still there? Ma'am, if anyone would like to ask any questions.
Hi. So if anyone has any questions, can write in the chat box, please. Ma'am, done. Nitya, okay. If you don't have questions, we can just end the session. Please make sure to send in your artwork so that we can all share it on our social media pages, and we would love to see all of your works, okay?
Amazing, it's looking. All of you've done a fabulous job. It was Paul. I'll see you in the next class now, okay? Hope you all enjoyed. Have a good day. Take rest. Enjoy your day.